Hello, hi. This is your girl Josy. I'm super excited for today. We're going to kind of finish up a little. We are going to put money in this challenge that I'm doing, the 100 envelope savings challenge, but I'm doing it in a different way. So if you are new to this channel, thank you for joining me. Thank you for being part of my friends. I'm doing the 100 envelope savings challenge, but I'm doing the multiplication form. It means that two numbers instead of 85, I'll multiply it and be 8 times 5, which is 40. Then I'll put 40 instead of 85. And I'm getting super excited because now, as you can see, I can't even close this. Almost done with the challenge. Almost. Somebody told me that I'll get about 1,800. Which is crazy. Super excited. So today we're going to do 85, 86, 87, 88. And I can't wait to wrap up this challenge and count it with you guys. And for today being on holiday, I'm offering from today to the 30th 40% off if you want to grab one of these challenge. So if you want to get the 100 envelope savings challenge, you've been looking at it, you'll be like, oh, it's quite expensive. No, I'm giving 40% off. So go to my website, go to my Etsy shop and go buy it from there. It left just a few copies, so run fast. And for this one, it comes with a tracker like this. And it also comes with one that is empty. So in case you want to do it in a different way, like what I'm doing right now, you can write it here. So 40% off today till the end of the month. So make sure you grab your copy. Make sure you share the video in case somebody want to buy and they've been looking at it. And also you can also customize it. You can customize it. Let me show you how the customized look like. So this is how it look like. If you customize it, like I customized my name, Simple Plans, this is how it look like. So you put it here. You can either put it here or put it here. So either way, it's okay. So go grab your copy. Maybe you are looking for a birthday present for somebody. This might be a perfect one for that person. Trust me. So I hope everybody's doing very well. I'm super excited today. I got off from work early, so that's exciting. And I'm able to record a video for you guys. So that's exciting. Look at that. I'm looking at it. It's not beautiful. Let me put this on the side. Let me grab my tray, my pens, and let's start this video. My tray here. I have a pen and I have my color pen also here. Let me see. We're going to count the money. Let's do the math. 50, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 80. So 180. 10, 190. So that's 10, 200. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 208. So that's how much we're gonna put. And like I said, we are doing 85, 86, 87, and 88. And we are multiplying. We are multiplying the numbers here. So 8 times 5 is 40. So it means I'm going to put 40 here. My goal is to finish this challenge by the end of the month. Then we will count it. And I'm planning on doing live for the count, like the way I did it last time. And I'm going to do a giveaway from there as well. So make sure you don't miss my video. Put your notification on. 8 times 6 is 48. So that one get 48. No, that's 50. And I keep on saying, for those of you who have the challenge and you are hiding it, you're scared of doing it, this is the time to do so. You can do it in a different way. And after this one, I'm planning of doing the addition on again, because I have new people here. And when we were doing it last time, they didn't see it. So we're going to do the addition again. The addition was so simple and fun. This one, the multiplication is kind of challenging as well, but that's also going very well so far. 8 times 7 is 56. So that one get 56. Then 8 times 8, that one is 64. So that's my 64. Okay, so I'm done with that one. Now 11, 1, 2, 3. So 11, 3 of them to go. Normally when I do one at a time. So, and I normally post the videos Mondays and Wednesdays. So I know we're going to finish it up by next week. Look at this. Is this not beautiful? And all these are going into our traveling binder, and I'm going to put it in my high yield savings account for the travel. So that will be fun, fun, fun. Okay. So let me go ahead and shade this. Okay. Oh, touch it. Then I'll put the recording over here. So we did 40, 48, 56. Then we did 64. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope everybody's doing very well. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, please go ahead and do so that you don't miss any of my videos. Super excited. Yeah, I can't wait to get this done. So thank you for watching me today. Happy holiday. And remember, we are doing 40% off on my Etsy shop for the challenge. So go grab your copy as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye, bye, bye.